है, कब सोया, कब उठा, कब रात में उठा, सब कुछ पता है। और इसमें सबसे मजेदार बैंड है ये स्मार्ट बैंड 6 में SpO2 भी मेजर कर सकते हो आप। जब मन आए तब बटन दबाया, मेजर कर लो। तो कोई पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर लेके जरूरत नहीं है। तो मुझे तो बड़ी खुशी है कि मेरे सारे घुटने के दर्द गायब हो गए एंकिल के दर्द गायब हो गए। और तो ये बेसिक चीजें तो करनी पड़ेंगी सर, इसके बिना नहीं ठीक होंगे।
ये तो बिल्कुल सही बता दिया विवेक। अरे कृष, you switch on your video. हाँ, Krish is another person where both husband and wife suffered the attack of second wave and they were hospitalized. Krish, we are discussing one by one 5 things. Whether this phenomena is likely to recur for a long time to come. If so, then perhaps home hospitalization may be an alternative proposition. If so, what is the meaning of home hospitalization? What are the requirements? If we are able to identify, then how to strengthen those home hospitalization? So I am just making a list of all the items so that in consultation with people, we can experiment and develop alternative models. And incidentally, if we can develop such a system, this model may work for other ailments also. That is, a person in village doesn't need to rush to a city hospital in many situations. And why I was having confidence, not confidence, courage to speak like this, because I never thought we can make a small oxygen generating plant, just 50 liters per minute plant. And that is running quite well, and one can come and see, running for 3 months. And the hospital is very happy because 13 ICU beds are being supported with that. And the next stage, I was thinking, whether with the same facilities in a hospital, the unutilized oxygen concentrators can be put in hospital under the supervision of hospital, because hospital has enough staff to maintain it. So concentrators will be in working condition. And the person who gives his concentrator to the hospital gets assurance from the hospital, when you need, we'll provide you oxygen cylinder, number one. We'll provide you nursing support. And if necessary, we'll keep a bed also for you with necessary hospital staff and other assistants. So first thing, whether this phenomena is going to be a long-term phenomena, a repeated cycle of different variants of virus with different impacts in terms of spread and severity. And you can't guess what will be next virus, whether it will be spreading fast or it will be impacting. So why not experiment? Because we have not even experimented. Not that it was not possible to make a small oxygen plant. And you'll be surprised. With just 15,000 crores of rupees, we can create 70,000 oxygen, a small oxygen plant in 7,000 blocks of the country. Each block having 10 oxygen generating plant. And villages are not very far away from blocks, 15, 20, 30 kilometers. So the hospital ensures that nobody dies because of shortage of oxygen. And it requires just 15,000 rupees, 50,000 crores of rupees, which is just 1 year, 2020-21 loss of Tata Motors. Just one company loss in the country is the total investment required for ensuring oxygen support to all the countrymen up to village level. And it doesn't draw our attention, it is possible. Because nobody experimented with creation of low-cost oxygen plant. Likewise, nobody is working on how to optimize utilization of oxygen concentrators that people have bought. So I have not opened even the box of concentrator that I have bought, lying idle for 6 months. If I had kept in the hospital and developed a mechanism to fill oxygen cylinders from oxygen concentrator output, 10 oxygen concentrators. So the St. Mary's Hospital, I'm talking to doctors there, and they are willing to, and they themselves have 4 or 5 concentrators which are idle. They cannot generate, fill cylinders with that. But now they are thinking, if we do that, instead of 4 cylinders, they can fill 8 cylinders, deluxe type, and improve. Good morning, Dr. Deepika. No, Deepika. Deepika.
So I just wanted to make a point here. Like you are discussing about providing oxygen. This is one part of the problem. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
So, but besides this, we need teleconsultation also. That is very, very important.
Yes.
So we need to work on that also, how to
Yes.
get this teleconsultation from an expert, or maybe the general physician also can provide in the initial stages.
Yes.
And later on, maybe expert can be contacted for further management.
Very good. We have not thought on those lines because we never faced that kind of challenge. Now, doctors in Delhi who treated my son-in-law, they advise him not to come to hospital. We will not be able to properly treat you. You better be there and keep on consulting us. And believe me, the intensity with which doctors supported the patient at home was so remarkable. And Professor Lada, who suffered, also had similar issue. Lada, can you share your experience being in hospital by compulsion for 12 days and then next 6 days by option? By option means he did not have oxygen cylinder at home, so he had to get admitted. So Lada, can you share that fascinating experience, that what doctors told you?
Yes, doctors told me several things. One was that it's a bit risky to stay in the hospital. See, once it became clear that I'm going to live, doctors said it's a bit risky to stay in the hospital because there are various types of coronavirus.
Yes.
And I think that danger is even higher today. If I have Delta and then Omni comes along and I'm in a general ward, then it's a problem. So that's one thing. So I was under pressure. Actually, I felt I should leave the hospital as soon as I can, lest I contract the next one. The problem was there was no oxygen at home, and I needed the oxygen still. So in fact, I had to request the doctors not to discharge me because doctors also knew I shall live. And doctors say, no, we will not discharge you till you have oxygen need. At that time, if I had oxygen at home, as you pointed out, I could have come home 6 days sooner. So that was the experience. But so there are doctors told me also one thing more at that time. In the last 4 days, can you avoid taking in oxygen as much as you can? So they said we don't have a pipeline of supply of oxygen yet. This was during the second wave. And so I tried to cut it down. Of course, I also wanted to know how much can I cut down to go home indeed. So that was another request from the doctors. There was a third point that I think may be relevant here. Remember the danger of multiple coronavirus in the general ward. So at that time, I thought, can I go to a single room? So I consulted my physician, and he said, don't do that. If you went to a single room or even double room, no staff shall come to you, even if you are calling and calling. Because there is a staff shortage also, overworked staff. So I stayed on in the general ward, but the general ward had the risk I pointed out. But still, coming to your point, yes, if I had oxygen, I had one more idea. No, don't call it idea. Can you connect with insurance companies? And see, insurance company is the one that's going to save money. So they could have saved 5-6 days of hospitalization by just bringing me home. And they might be interested in your project to save money, and nothing like people doing stuff for profit, because the motivation then will be high. And so that is one reason that the insurance company says, okay, we will supply you the cylinder of oxygen, go home. So there is an interest group which might be happy to hear from you. And I don't know how many people have my experience.
जा रहा हूँ.
अच्छा Vivek, thanks.
That's all I had to say. I did see some of the things which were people going down. I mean, they come with great energy and then diminish day by day. I was the lucky one. So there is a case for home hospitalization, at least for those who contracted and are ready to leave the hospital sooner, potentially with the help of some of the insurance companies for your project.
No, it's not my project.
Idea, okay, modified idea.
What I was trying to do is, I didn't have anything, but I have experience of 3 patients. You have experienced it, Krishna and Rani had experienced it, Vivek had experienced it, Sanjeev had experienced it. Now, the experience of Dr. Nada is that even if you go to hospital, are you going to get bed of your choice with the hospital staff at your disposal? Even if you go for independent room, you may not be safe because hospital staff may be short. But at home, especially experience of Professor Nada and Mrs., when both fell sick, and with Vivek,
Sir, what I think is basic nursing inputs could also be taken by family members, because that is very much required. जैसे इंजेक्शन लगाना, अब इंजेक्शन लगाना एक ऐसी चीज है, भाई मेरे पैरासिटामोल से बुखार नहीं जा रहा था 104 का, तो बेटा था तो उसने इंजेक्शन पे कब स्विच करना है, जबकि दोनों बेटा और वाइफ डॉक्टर हैं, फिर भी वो डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट कर रहे थे, तो आपको फिर इंजेक्शन लगाने के लिए बंदा ढूंढना पड़ेगा। तो के लिए या तो घर में किसी को तैयार करें या कम से कम टावर में या उस लोकेलिटी में किसी को तैयार करें।
तो विवेक बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो, क्योंकि जिनको हम सोचते हैं ये इंजेक्शन लगा सकते हैं, कभी कभी वो अनट्रेन्ड स्टाफ जो है मेडिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव लगा देता है, वो हो सकता है गलत भी हो जाए।
नहीं, मुश्किल नहीं होता, इंजेक्शन लगाना शुड बी बेसिक, जैसे फर्स्ट एड सीखते हैं ना, सीपीआर लेना, सीपीआर देना आना चाहिए। तो बेसिक हेल्थ, जैसे घर में एक फर्स्ट एड किट रखते हैं हम लोग, राइट, उस किट के बारे में कोई हमें एलिमेंट्री नॉलेज, बेसिक चीजें पता है। कार जब नहीं खरीदते हैं उसके साथ भी एक किट दिया करते थे, अभी मैंने कार खरीदी उसमें बंद कर दी उन्होंने। तो एक बेसिक फर्स्ट एड किट का कॉन्सेप्ट, बेसिक नर्सिंग केयर शुड बी डन, जैसे हम लोग लास्ट माइल ट्रीटमेंट, मतलब जो फर्स्ट हैंड जो होम हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन का पार्ट होना चाहिए सर। ये 2 दिन की ट्रेनिंग, 3 दिन की ट्रेनिंग बड़े आराम से 2 घंटे की हो सकती है, और मेरे ख्याल से होगी भी, अगर हम ढूंढे ना। कोविड के बाद इस तरह के ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज भी हो गए होंगे और ऑफलाइन कोर्सेज भी हो गए होंगे। आप हर फैमिली किसी ना किसी डॉक्टर को जानती होगी,
हाँ,
तो उनके साथ बैठ के कुछ चीजें पूछ के कुछ लोग समझ सकते हैं, और इंजेक्शन लगाना तो सीखा जा सकता है मेरे ख्याल से।
अच्छा विवेक ये बताओ, वी हैव 3 डॉक्टर्स, डॉक्टर कीर्ति, डॉक्टर निशा, डॉक्टर शालू, who will be in a position to think of what kind of training may be required, and through Dr. Shalu, we can organize a 1-hour session on how
हाँ,
to
वो
do
कर
this.
सकते हैं। और सर 31 दिसंबर के बाद जब बेटे का थीसिस सबमिशन हो जाएगा, तो वो भी एम्स दिल्ली से एक जूम मीटिंग में ज्वाइन कर लेगा। वो इमरजेंसी मेडिसिन
तो
फिजिशियन
अगर
है,
ये हो जाता है,
उसने अपनी हर 6 घंटे की ड्यूटी में 10-10 कोविड पेशेंट देखे हैं।
कि अगर क्रिटिकल कंडीशन ना हो तो छोटी मोटी चीजें जैसे ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर लगाना या कंसंट्रेटर लगाना, वो तक मुझे नहीं आता। तो अगर कोई बीमार पड़ जाए तो कैसे करें? तो अब जूम मीटिंग हो गई, यूट्यूब हो गया, वी कैन हैव लाइव डेमोन्स्ट्रेशंस एंड पुट इट ऑन ए शीट ऑफ एक्सेल and put on website. Anybody facing the challenge of home hospitalization 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not only yes. Kirti, you wanted to say something?
I think this is the need of the hour, and I think each and every person in our family should be trained for this. Like at least one person should be trained. So we can ask, KGMC is a big setup where there is a nursing school also, and paramedical services are also being run. So if this is the need, then we can also provide at least 2 or 3 hours training would be sufficient for this kind of training. Connecting the oxygen cylinders and giving an injection, and basic things can be taught to the public.
And medicines which may be required in emergency to be kept but not used without consulting doctor.
Yes.
तो ये चीजें बेटे अगर आप लोग थोड़ा मदद कर दो, I'll just start putting these things on a sheet of paper, and if we can organize a training, then we can spread this message through such meetings and people can benefit. You are quite right, Vivek, you are quite right, Dr. Kirti. In every home, we should have a kind of small nurse.
Yes.
Because when my sister was sick, we didn't know how to give oxygen. We did not know how to give drip. And injection are so common these days. Every month or second month or third month, the child falls in the lawn and had bruises, and now you have to give an injection to guard. Now, small things, like we have started having kitchen that even your mama can cook. So if I can cook, if I can try playing Casio, then perhaps I can also learn how to give injection.
Yes.
Isn't it? It's not so difficult as it appears on the face of it. It's just a question of seeing and once trying with the inconsequential medicine or liquid in the injection, and trying to see whether he has learned. And since you are doctors and you have a setup where people can be trained, I think it is time that we start organizing a session for training on small nursing assistants by February.
Yes.
That will be great. Explore possibility and let me know when this can be done. We organize a meeting and through our group of faculty members and others, try to spread this message so that people can be trained.
So
I
another
agree, sir.
similar kind of thing we have started post-COVID only, like the cancer care. I'm an oncologist. So we saw that the patients are not coming for follow-up. We started doing the registry program in KGMU. So only 20% of the patients were coming after treatment. So now we are establishing a peripheral nodal centers in all the periphery of the KGMU from the drainage area where the patients are coming from. And through teleconsultation only we will connect to those peripheral nodal centers. So that is dedicated for oncology and cancer awareness and treatment, but this can be done for this also. Like, yes.
And the alternate that you have suggested is for other treatments which require follow-up and people are not able to come, we can have
Yes.
a spreading of message.
Yes. So this kind of network can be created where
Yes.
people can connect and get the opinion timely.
And Vivek start thinking how to develop this kind of network so that with the support of Dr. Kirti, Dr. Shalu, and Dr. Richa, we can strengthen this aspect. Because doctors are there, they are willing to support, but there is no way for doctor to connect to the patient and for patient to know the doctor.
And sir, as ma'am would also say that in this 2021 ke April May, most of the doctors were supporting hundreds of patients on phone itself. As I mentioned, you, my
Yes.
brother-in-law, who has done chest and tuberculosis from KGMU only, and my sister is a gynecologist. But my brother phone was busy whole April, whole May, whole June. And ma'am, you would be knowing Dr. Shalin Kumar, also oncologist from SGPGI.
Yes, yes, very, very well.
So my wife was in PGI only for 20 years before she took voluntary retirement. She was a HOD of pediatric surgery. So,
Okay.
so except me and my brother, everybody is a doctor in my family. So, and then I went through all this. So yes, very timely discussion is, and I think that sir कुछ बनाते हैं आप चिंता मत करिए.
Vivek Gupta was my colleague in IIM Lucknow.
अरे सर मैंने ज्वाइन किया था जब आपने.
I'm able to have a Zoom meeting today is all because of Vivek.
अरे सर मैं बहुत जूनियर हूँ सर, आप क्यों?
अरे विवेक, जूनियर सीनियर की बात नहीं है. Anybody can train other person to work. Professor Lada was my colleague at IIM Kozhikode, and he often joins us in the meeting with first-hand experience and vast knowledge that he has from here to US in different walks of life. I benefit from it. And Dr. Kirti and Deepak Rajada. Deepak is my nephew. Okay, so
and your alumni, I mean, much junior alumni.
Oh, that relationship I often forget. There was a picnic and they did not go for their own other engagement that they had to join us. But one thing, even if we stop now, the point is, one thing that there is a feeling that home hospitalization infrastructure needs to be strengthened. If this be the case, two things. One is nursing support by strengthening trained family members.
Yes.
Second thing, if possible, oxygen support. And third thing, if necessary, hospitalization. That is, if there is a close connection with the doctors and hospitals, it becomes easy to know when to go to hospital, because we cannot wait for the person to be extremely critical to go to hospital. So at appropriate time, he may go to hospital. But last question, if you can help us, not last but one. One is if you can suggest the medicine that Dr. Richa Gupta was suggesting, which medicines we must keep at home. Because when you need it, if you don't have it, and the shops may be closed. So it is better to invest few thousand rupees for small packets of medicines, but to be used only in consultation with doctor. And let's see, I'll start jotting down the names of the doctors who are having the concern for this kind of activity, and I'll put on website so that a person can easily and fast he can access the doctors. And the patient should not be very petty that they get treatment, but they don't extend their support of to the doctors. So it should be reciprocal. Last point, if you can suggest, it occurred to me, there is a dietary support also for patients. Now, when husband and wife both are sick, I faced this problem last April. My wife developed some problem, and I have to do everything, including cooking. Now, what do I cook? So if I know what is required, minimum which is patient compatible food. So I learned only those few things. And most surprising part, something which I hated all my life, I not only learned how to make khichdi, I started liking khichdi. So I could cook even khichdi. I can cook now idli. Vivek, yesterday I took my dhaba, some items to IIM Alumni Association meeting, and I was surprised. Masala idli, believe me, masala idli was liked by people. All were consumed. It was not a large number, but I never realized I can cook idli that my alumni of a 95, 96 batch will love it. They said, we never had this kind of idli. Because there, in the batter of idli, I mix onion, tomato, coriander, salt, and chili. And what they liked most was chili, green chili. And that paste I made idli. So it was very tasty and people liked it. So I don't know what all we can do. So I put on my website, COVID Care, what we can cook. So I have put how to cook idli, how to cook dhokla, and if both the people are not sick, how to make paratha of different types and easily. And Vivek, one more thing which I am going to do is a demonstrative package that if both husband, wife and children are sick, then how to cook. So I am experimenting with putting an oven, a hot plate, a electric kettle, and one more item.
Sir, my wife Richa would give some input because
Huh.
in her course of lifestyle medicine, which she has just cleared after 1.5 years of study, she came to know of something called Instant Pot, which we have bought from Amazon. It's just a basic electric cooker, but and lot of things we have started cooking in our home, etc. For
Not
last
home.
1 year.
Vivek, bedside, how to cook at your bedside so that
हाँ
when-
वो बहुत आसान है सर, मैं आपको इनपुट दूंगा. अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ इसमें ज्वाइन करने.
ठीक, ठीक,
जी
ठीक है.
मैं I'll give you inputs. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you ma'am.
Thank you.
See you sir.
ठीक है. Keep thinking. It is not that we can sum up all these points which are being faced by the society, that 3-4 of us can do it. But what occurred to me, if we think on these lines, then putting on website is something which is quite easy these days. And for your information, Dr. Ladha, in each room, I'm going to put a studio equipment so that we can organize talks from any of the rooms. For this, I subscribe to 3 broadband connections of 100 Mbps each. So like the way we are discussing through this channel, I go to the other bedroom and you can have another meeting where music is being played. Then another one where cooking is being discussed. So concurrently, from the same 2-bedroom house, my dhaba, 3 feet by 8 feet dhaba, you explore to having discussion on those topics, which is not easy. Now this I have recorded, and this I'll forward to you also. Whatever points occur to you, that is what we can take as a next step. I'm quite sure gradually we can keep on moving and be more useful to the society. Thank all the people had sacrificed their present program at 11 o'clock to join us, but I'm quite sure that in future we shall be able to give little advance notice so that people can think and suggest. I think we should break here and you can go to your respective engagements. Kishan, you have gone to picnic?
What did you ask me?
You were to join in some party today.
Party?
You are saying you are going to Jaipur. Within Jaipur, you are going to meet some people in the party.
Oh, no, that's tomorrow.
Acha, okay.
I was checking at the time, is it today or tomorrow? It's tomorrow. There is a wildlife sanctuary in the heart of the city. But we are going to that tomorrow, not today.
Very good.
Today, but no party, party is banned, at least by norm. So party doesn't work now. But you stay safe. Thank you very much. All your efforts.
Thanks, Kishan.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mama. Thanks, Mama.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.